Good morning, guys. This is the Leatherman MUT quick review. First of all, I want to tell you that it's a pretty heavy item. And here is the scale. As you can see, it weighs 10 ounces. And if you include one of the tools it comes with, plus the case, you're talking about 14 ounces, which makes it one of the heavier tools that you're going to use in any expedition. Okay, second of all, I want to let you know is the size of this thing. This thing is huge. It's about 5 inches and about 1.5 across. When it comes to opening this up, it doesn't open easily. It actually, but I'm sure if you open it a lot of times, it's going to become a lot more looser. And it got very huge pliers right here, and it has everything you need for any expedition. Closing it is a bit harder, especially on this thing, like very hard to close. One of the best things about it got a hammer on the side that you can actually use in case you ever need this for emergency purposes. You can strap it to your pants right here. You got a blade on the side. One hand, you can open it up and you can close it. To be very careful. It's pretty sharp. And if you're a civilian and you want to use this, it has really not a lot of tools. This is a saw that you can use. But pretty much for military purposes, it's very good for weapons. But like I said, if you're a civilian and you want to own something like this, it's pretty cool looking. That's and impressive, that's for sure. But other than that, it doesn't have that many tools to play with. It has a screwdriver right here, which it took me a while to figure out how to open it, but all you need to do is press right there pretty hard, and it comes out. Then there's two different different things you can use if you need an extra one, and it takes a long time to get it out too. So that's one of the things about this. It's not easy to get some of the tools out of here, like this one in case if you really need to use it. Yeah, here I got one of them out of there. And the same thing, just to put it back in, you gotta use pressure right here and stick it right in, and use pressure to get it out. This is hard to get out. So actually it got stuck. So I just want to let you know that this is one of those tools that it's pretty cool looking, great for military, but if you need this for everyday use, I don't recommend it because it's heavy, it's big, and the tools are not easy to get out. And second of all, it only has very few tools. It has the knife, it has the saw, it has the pliers, it has the screwdrivers, which I'm not too happy about. Like I said, it's very hard to get them out and get them in, and this one seems to be stuck. So last thing that I like about is actually the case. Actually, the case is the best thing about this thing. Pretty tough, it's nice, it looks like a military item. And if you want to buy this separately, I do recommend that. And it has the small tool here that you guys can use. But overall, I won't recommend this unless you have a military weapon, which is actually it was designed for. But other than that, if you're an everyday civilian and you want to use this just for fun, don't, because this is just an expensive tool and it's pretty hard to get some of this stuff out. Okay, well, that's my review of this whole thing. Have a good day. Bye.